Hi folks, welcome to part 28 of Java series. In this video, let's talk about polymorphism. Polymorphism, uh, we can say that it is one of the important topic or concept of OOP concepts. Okay, derivation of the polymorphism is from two different Greek words, poly and morphs. Poly means numerous and morphs means forms. So in general, it can be said that many forms, or it says that innumerable forms, right? So it is an ability to acquire more than one form. A method can have an ability to acquire more than one form. It's called as polymorphism. Okay, to just give you an example, for an example, a woman or a man, for example, a woman I'll take. Woman can be a mother, a daughter, a sister, also a good friend at the same time, right? So that means that she performs different behaviors in situation based on the situation. So it is an ability to acquire more than one form. That is called as polymorphism. Polymorphism, we have two different important concepts. One is method overloading and another is method overriding. Already made a detailed video on method overloading and method overriding also. So you can refer both of them. I'll also leave the link for those videos in the description. Please do check that out. Hope you have learned about polymorphism. If you have liked this video, please do like it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.